how to improve HubSpot grader score up to 100%. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can improve your HubSpot grader score 100%. So guys, there are a few things that you guys need to take care of if you want to improve your HubSpot grader score. So firstly, you guys have to make sure that you are responsive on your website. So if you guys are not responsive on your website, well then unfortunately, you guys are not going to be able to get a 100% HubSpot grader score. And the second thing is that you have to make sure that you have top-notch SEO done on your landing page, because if you don't have very good SEO, well then of course your website is not going to rank well and your grader score is not going to be improved. And then thirdly, you guys need to have an SSL certificate. Guys, you cannot even imagine a website that does not have an SSL certificate looks so bad. So you always need to have an SSL certificate if you guys want to get that 100% grader score. And if you have all of these three things lined up and you have all of these three things going for you, well then of course you guys can get a 100% grader score and your website is going to start ranking so fast. So guys, that is how you guys can improve your HubSpot grader score to up to 100%. Again, you guys will have to be patient. Once you guys do this once, well then be patient. Eventually your website is gonna get a very nice grader score. But guys, these were just some of the tips that you guys can use to improve your HubSpot grader score up to 100%. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.